Now students, let us revise our next topic, and that is forming greatest and smallest number with given digits. Now let us see how can we write greatest number with given digits. To build the greatest number, write the digits in decreasing order. Decreasing means we have to write the digits from greatest to smallest. And now let us see how can we write smallest number. To build the smallest number, write the digits in increasing order. Increasing means we have to write the digits from smallest to greatest. Okay. Now let us take one example to understand it. Form the greatest and smallest number using the digits 6, 5, 1, 3, 7 and 9. Now beta, let us see how can we write the greatest number. To write greatest number, we need to write greatest digit first of all. Okay. So here 9 is the greatest digit. Okay. So first we have to write 9. Now here we can see 7 is greater. Now next is 6. Next is 5. Then 3. And then 1. Okay, like this we have to write a greatest number. Now we have to put commas also. Can we put commas like this? Here, 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 here and here? No beta. It's wrong. Okay. We have to put commas like this according to Indian place value system. Okay. Now beta, according to Indian place value system, we have to leave 3 digits from right side, and then we have put the point, and then we have to leave only 2 digits for thousands period. Okay. So how can we read it? 9 lakhs 76,531. Now let us see smallest number. To write smallest number, we have to write smallest digit. Okay. And what is the smallest digit here? 1 is the smallest digit. Okay. So first we have to write 1. After that, which one is smaller? Here we have 3. Okay. So 3, and next is 5, and you can see here also beta. Okay. 976,531. It's decreasing order. So here we have to write increasing order. So you can write here 1, then 3, then 5, then 6, then 7 and then 9 also. You can see like also. You can write like this also. Okay. Or you can check from here also. Okay. Now beta, we have to put commas. So first we have to leave 3 digit, then 2 digit. Okay. So what is this number? 1,35,679. So like this we have to write greatest and smallest. Now students, let us take one more example. In this we have to form the greatest and smallest number using the digits. In this we have 5, 0, 3, 7 and 9. 5 digits we have. Okay. So first we have to write greatest number. And how can we write the greatest number beta? Yes. First we need to write greatest digit, and here you can see 9 is the greatest digit. Okay. So first we have to write 9. After that, which one is greater? 7. So here we have to write 7, then 5, then 3 and then 0. Okay. Now we have to put commas. After means क्या है? From right side we have to leave 3 digits and then we have to put comma. So 97,530 will be our answer. Now we have to write smallest number. How can we write the smallest number beta? Yes, we have to write the smallest digit first of all. Means here we have to write 0. 0 is the smallest digit. Okay. After this we have to write 3, then 5, then 7 and then 9. Okay. Is it right? No. Because here we have 5 digits. Okay. Here also we have 5 digits. But how can we read it? If we put here comma, okay, then how can we read it, beta? Only 3000 we have. 3579, because there is no value of this zero. Okay, if we write like this 07, then it means only 7. If we write like this, then will be 70. Okay, so we know there is no value of 0 before the whole number. Okay, so it's wrong, beta. Okay, you can see here also, if we write 03579 to this, for this, okay, then it will be wrong. So do not begin the number with 0. It will be wrong. So how can we write it? We can write like this. 30579. 30579. Why, beta? Because if we have a 0 like this, okay, then we start the number with second smallest digit. Okay, इससे start करना है हमें. Start the number with second smallest digit. Then put 0. Okay, and arrange the remaining digits in the ascending order. Okay, so here first of all we have to write second smallest digit. And which is second smallest digit? 3, because here 0 is the smallest digit. And after this we have 3. So here we have to write 3. Okay. Then we have to put 0 and then remaining digits. Okay. We have 5, 7 and 9. So which one is smaller? 5, then 7 and then 9. So our number will be 30,579. Now you can see here also we have 5 digits and here also. Okay, but if you write like this 03579, then it will be wrong. Okay, because here we have only 4 digits. Here is no value of 0. Now students, let us take one more example. In this we have to form the greatest and smallest 7 digits number by using 758. Here beta we have only 3 digits, but we need to write 7 digits number. So how can we write 7 digits number? Here you can see, if we want to write greatest number, here we have only 3 digits. Okay, and we want to write 7 digits number. Okay, so to write greatest number, repeat the greatest digit. We need to repeat the greatest digit. And for writing smallest number, here we need to repeat the smallest digit. Okay, now let us see how can we write greatest number. For writing greatest number, we need to repeat greatest digit. Okay, and which one is greater here? 8 is greatest digit. Okay, so here we have to write 8, but how many times, beta? Here we have 5 and 7 also. ठीक है, so 2 digits तो ये है बेटा, और हमें कितने की नीड है? 7 की. so 2 ये है. ठीक है, तो कितने की और नीड है हमें? 5 की. so we have to write 8 5 times. ठीक है, 8 8 8 8 and 8. Now we have to write greater number from 5 and 7. So here we have to write 7 and then we have to write 5. Okay, like this we have to write greatest number. ठीक है, of 7 digits by using 758. Now we have to put comma. From right side we have to leave 3 digit, then 2 according to Indian place value system. So now how can we read it? What is this number? 88 lakhs 88,875. Now we have to write smallest number. So for writing smallest number, we need to repeat the smallest digit. So here you can see 5 is the smallest digit. So in this time. Now we have to repeat 5. How many times? Here also we need to write 5 times. Okay, 5 times 5, and then we have to write 7. Okay, from 7 and 8 we have to write smaller digit. So here 7 and then 8. Okay, now we have to put comma here, then after 2 digits. So what is this number, beta? 55 lakhs 55,578. Okay, so like this you can write greatest and smallest number. Now students, let us revise our today's last topic, and that is comparing numbers. Students, for comparing numbers, we use these three symbols. It means greater than, it means smaller than, and it means is equal to. And these symbols show the relation of the number which is on the left side with the number which is on the right side. Okay, here we have 73 and 51. On left side we have 73 and on right side we have 51. So we have to say that 73 is greater than 51. We cannot say beta that 51 is less than 73. Okay, we are to use 73 is greater than 51, and here 64 is less than 75, or you can say 64 is smaller than 75, and here both are equal. Okay, now beta let us see the rules for comparing numbers. Step 1. First, compare the number of digits. Okay, if we have two numbers, so first we need to compare. We need to compare the number of digits. Okay, and the number with more digits will be greater. Step 2. If the number of digits are equal, if the number of digits are equal, then compare the first digit from left side. Okay, the number with the larger first digit, the number with the larger first digit will be greater. Okay, and if the first digit also same, okay, then we have to compare the second digits. Okay, and if second digits also are same, then we have to check next digit. Okay, means third digits. We have to compare third digits. Like this we have to continue in this manner. Okay, till then we have to till then we find the different digits. Okay, so now let us take examples, beta. Here we have 7134. Okay, means 7134, and here 51,341. But how can we compare? How to compare? For comparing, first, what is the first rule? First of all, we need to count the number of digits, and here we have 4 digits, 1 2 3 4, and here we have 5 digits. So which one is greater? This. Okay, because here we have 5 digits. So this 7134 is smaller than 51,341. So here we have to use which symbol? This symbol. Okay, 7134 is smaller than this number. Now let us see these numbers. Here we have this number means 61,534, and here 62,535. Okay. So first of all, beta, we need to count the number of digits. But here we have 5 digits, and here also we have 5 digits. So what we will do? Now we need to check first digit from left side, and here you can see both are 6, both are same. So what we will do, now we need to check next digit. So now we need to check 1, means here 1 and here we have 2. So which one is greater? 2 is greater, okay, and 1 is smaller. So which symbol we have to put here? This number is smaller than this. So we have to use again this symbol, means symbol of smaller than, okay. Now we can say 61,534 is smaller than 62,535. Now let us see these numbers. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 digits, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also we have 6. Okay, so now we need to check first digit from left side, but here both are 8. Okay, now we need to check next digit. Both are 9. Now we need to check next digit. Okay, but these are also same. Okay, now we need to check next digit. 7, 7, both are same. Next also same. So we need to check these. Here 1 is less than 2. Okay, so this number is smaller than this number. Now let us see this number, these numbers. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 digits, and here also we have 6 digits. Okay, so now we have to check first digit from left side. Both are same. Next also same. Next also same. These also same, and these are also same, and last digits are also same. So it means both are equal. Okay, so we have to put the symbol of this. Okay, so I hope you all have understood that how can we compare the numbers. Okay, and I hope you all have understood today's all topics. Thank you.